my dear students. Yesterday I gave you the homework in the textbook Self-Practice 4.1a page 76. And I have a request for the question number 1C, which is, okay, the question is represent the relationship of the following three quantities in the form of A ratio B ratio C. Okay, see, 4 minutes to 120 seconds to 1.6 hours. First we write 4 minutes, we can write 4 min, 4 minutes, ratio, okay, ratio, 120 second, 120 s for second, 1.6 hours, 1.6 h. Yeah. Now we look here. The unit is different. So there are many methods here. Either you change all to minutes, or all to seconds, or all to hours. In teacher's opinion, it's more easier if we change all to seconds. Okay, 4 minutes, how many seconds? We write here. As we know, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we want to find the value of 4 minutes, how many seconds? Okay. When the minute increase, we assume that the second also increase. So this is a directly proportional. When something increase, the other will also increase, or vice versa. Okay, so we calculate using the directly proportional method, which is 60 seconds divided by 1 minute multiple the 4 minutes that we want to find. Okay, so here minute divide minute, yeah? 1 above, 1 below, same. Then we can eliminate. Okay, 60 seconds multiple 4 is 240 seconds. Okay, now you can write here 240 seconds. This one 120 seconds. Okay, no need to do anything, just write down. Okay, now how to find 1.6 hour in second? Okay, so we use okay. Now, okay, 1 hour from 1 hour, check second. Hour, okay, hour, after hour, minute, after minute, second. So we'll change to minute first. 1.6 hour, we change to minute, which is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 1.6 hour. So when the hour increase, the minute also will increase. So this is directly proportional. So 60 minutes divided by 1 hour multiple 1.6 hour. So hour, 1 above, 1 below, cut, can cut. So leave it the answer in minute. 60 multiple 1.6, yeah? 60 multiple 1.6 is 96 minutes. Okay, but we want to change to hour, to second. So we do the second part. As we know, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, this one you have to memorize. Yeah, 1 hour 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds, must memorize. So if 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, therefore 96 minutes equal to 60 seconds. When the minute increase, the second also increase. So directly proportional. 60 seconds divided by 1 minute multiple 96 minutes. Okay, so minute above, minute below, can cut. 60 seconds multiple 96 is 570 5,760 second. Because minute gone already. Leave it the second. Check again. 60 multiple 96. Okay, correct. So we can write here 5,760 second. Now we take out the unit because the unit second all the same. Okay, right? We can take out the second. Take out the second. We write 240 ratio 120 ratio 5,760. Okay, so the answer, the final answer for the ratio must be in the simplest form. If you look here, 0, 0, 0, so we can divide by 10, okay? So this one divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So we get 24, 12, 5, 7, 6. Okay, so we can do multiple division here. As here is even numbers, so we can also divide by 2. Okay, try and error. 576 divided by 12. Yeah, 576 divided by 12. Okay, we get 23. So this one divided by 12. Okay, divide by 12, divide by 12, divide by 12. So we get the answer 2 ratio 1 ratio 576 divided by 12 is 48. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, thank you. So I hope students who cannot do this question can try to understand. Okay, bye.